here we are. I have started to have the layout made for the bungalow that I have to build for the old couple that will be hit by the road I'm gonna make towards the land that I bought. So here, this is the start. We have already filed all the materials like on my last videos. So we have materials for 2 weeks piled up. So here we are now laying out the bungalow. It will be 3 bedrooms, 3 meters by 3 meters, 3 of them, and the rest will be like 9 meters by 6 meters width. So this is the start of the layout that we have here. So we just do it outside the house that we just destroyed because that will mean that they won't have to move to the upheaval, that they stay there before we destroy the house. The new house will be done. So this is now the start, and like I said, I will be costing you. These 2 main builders is doing the layout is costing me 700 pesos per day because they are the main builders, but they are not going to be working. They're just going to be supervising because they are actually building a proper building right now. So it's Sunday today. I'm just borrowing their time just for today, just to have the layout, and then we have the proper hollow block layers, and then they will be digging the columns. And when these 2 that's working on this now go home, they will just inspect, and if it's needed that they have to be here, we will be working Sundays because that's our agreement. So far, material wise, it's cost me about 37,000 for 2 weeks materials: sand, gravel, cement, rebars, and hollow blocks, and also the petrol to picking it up by the multi-cab. So it's 37,000 plus the wages of these 2, that will be like 38,000, 38 and a half. That's just the start. So I will be pricing you every time what a column costs when they do it, but so far just the materials is 37,000. So 38 plus this wages of this to 38 and a half as of today. So I'll be showing you how we utilize the materials that we have accumulated as we go on building starting tomorrow. I'll be putting my mixer here to make it faster, to mix all the muck for the hollow block filing. So we already done the layout, so you can see there's 3 by 3 meters by 3 meters bedroom, and this is an open space for lounge, kitchen, diner in here.